Good evening, students. I hope you all have tried the sums from exercise 1. Today we'll be starting with the second exercise. Okay, just give me a minute. So I hope everyone can see the screen. Okay. So now for the next exercise, we'll be needing to learn two formulae. Okay, for 6.2 and 6.3. A cube plus B cube and A cube minus B cube. Okay. So let us understand the formula very simple. Okay. So I'll start with the formula. Now, to learn this formula, A cube plus B cube, we are going to factorize this. See, even this here, they are telling us to factorize even in 6.2. So, when we factorize, we have to get two brackets. So the first bracket is this, in which if it is A cube plus B cube, all we'll write is just A plus B, plus, plus. Right? Cubes you will not be writing in the first bracket. So similarly, if A cube minus B cube is there, in the first bracket, I will write A minus B. Okay, everyone. Let me know if you all have understood the first bracket. Message me yes. Okay. And when I'm teaching you all, make sure to learn this also. Today, yes, there will be only maths lecture. So throughout till 5:30, 5:45, we'll be studying maths. And if you all have doubts, I can see someone asked me to do the 10 sum from the first exercise. We'll come to that. But let us begin with this, right? Okay. So as I said, A cube plus B cube, first bracket is A plus B. A cube minus B cube, first bracket is A minus B. In the second bracket, it will have the same terms, A square, AB, and B square. Here also it will be A square, AB, and B square. Now remember, the squares are always going to be plus. We have learned this before. Whenever we are squaring, so this is always going to be plus. Now this is the only place where the sign will be different. If here there is plus, then here we'll write minus. And if here there is minus, then we'll write plus. Okay. So I want students to note down this formula. Dhruvi from DN Nagar, please turn off your video. Yes. So write down the formula, learn it right now, and let's start using it. Okay, I'll explain to you how to use it. So I hope everything is clear till now, and I hope everyone has copied this. So let's quickly start with the sum and let me know. Okay, Sarah wants to help. Hello. What happened to Sarah? Hello, Sarah. Sarah from Ghatkopar. Okay, in that case, let's try Aditya from Ghatkopar. Hello, Aditya. Okay, students are not. Yes, I'm Rithul. Okay, fine. Hitesh from Parla. Hello, Hitesh.
Hello, sir.
Yes, you've learned the formula.
Yes, sir.
Okay, quickly go through both the formula. First, tell me what is A cube plus B cube formula.
A plus B in the first bracket and in the second bracket, A square minus AB plus B square.
Okay. And what about A cube minus B cube?
In the first bracket, it is A minus B, and in the second bracket, A square plus AB plus B square.
Okay. So let us solve the first sum of practice set 6.2. Okay. The first sum, which is factorized, says the sum is this x cube plus 64y cube. So now tell me, Hitesh, does it look like A cube plus B cube or A cube minus B cube?
A cube plus B cube.
Now here you have to pay attention that whenever you want to use A cube plus B cube formula, it should be whole cube for each term. For example, x is the only term here where the cube is there. So I can write it like this, x cube, correct?
Yes, sir.
Plus, but this cube is there only for y. 64 के ऊपर क्यूब नहीं है, तो can you tell me 64 किसका क्यूब है?
4.
4. So what we will rather do is we'll write it as 4y the whole cube. Now it's proper. It has to be here also whole cube. It has to be here also whole cube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if you notice, I just make small changes. Now can you see this A cube plus B cube?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me what is in place of A
X.
and what is in place of B?
4y.
Okay. So now what is A cube plus B cube ka first bracket?
A plus B.
So what should it be here?
X plus 4y.
Correct. Then tell me what is A cube plus B cube ka second bracket?
A square
Hmm.
minus AB plus B square.
So what will I write for A square?
X square.
X square. Then minus, what will I write for AB?
X into F, 4y.
4y. And plus, what will I write for B square?
4y square.
4y square. Okay. Okay. First bracket, let us keep it as it is. No changes here. Now tell me what is x ka square?
X square.
Minus, what will this multiplication give you?
4xy.
Plus, what is the squaring over here?
16y square.
Okay. Done. You understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Hitesh.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, I hope everyone has understood this. Okay, let's quickly move on to the next sum then. Okay, let's try Amberlin.
Hello, sir.
You understood the first sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try the second sum then. The second sum says, okay, 125 p cube plus QP. Okay. Yes. Amberlin,
Yes.
does it look like A cube plus B cube or A cube minus B cube?
A cube plus B cube.
Okay, but the first term should be whole cube. So
Yes.
tell me 125 किसका cube है?
5.
5. And this is P, so it will become whole cube
Yes.
plus
Q.
Q.
The whole cube.
Correct. So now tell me what is in place of A over here
5P.
and what is in place of B.
Q.
So what is A cube plus B cube का formula?
A plus A minus A plus B the whole bracket A minus AB plus BQ. B
Wrong. Tell me one more time, your voice was cutting.
A plus B the whole cube whole bracket A square minus AB plus B square the whole bracket.
Correct. So now here, can you tell me what will come in the first bracket?
5P plus Q.
What will come in the second bracket? First, what will come?
5P square
Then minus
5P
what is B?
Q square.
Huh? No, it is AB. No, this is A into B.
Okay.
Plus, now comes that B square.
Sir, but you have written 5Q.
Sorry, my mistake. 5P. Okay, thanks.
And Q square.
Q square. Okay. Okay, next the first bracket will be same.
Yes.
Okay, now square this. What is 5 square?
25.
And P square
P square.
minus what is this multiplication?
5PQ.
Plus.
Q square.
Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, next, let's try Dinesh.
Yes, sir.
Dinesh, third sum, I want everyone to mark it homework.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, and we will be trying the fourth sum.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the fourth sum is this 2L cube plus 432M cube. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Achha. Now I have told you that first tell me, does it look like A cube plus B cube or A cube minus B cube?
Sir, A cube plus B cube.
Correct. But the problem ये है कि I want to make it as whole cube.
Yes, sir.
But 2 whole cube नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
So now we have to understand क्या करना चाहिए. अगर cube नहीं होता, then what should we do? So it is a good idea to take something common from both. दोनों में से कुछ common निकालो.
Okay, sir.
यहाँ पे कौन सा number है?
Sir, 2
2 है ना?
Yes, sir.
और मुझे बताओ क्या 432 भी 2 के टेबल में आता है?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा 432 2 के टेबल में मतलब 2 into what will give you 432? Tell me.
Wait, sir.
उसके लिए डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. डिवाइड करके
Yes,
मुझे
sir.
बता.
Yes, sir. Divide.
तो डिवाइड करके मुझे बताओ कितना आता है.
Yes, sir. Sir, 2 minutes, sir.
या टेक योर टाइम.
Sir.
Hmm.
Sir,
Yes.
266. Ja.
266 wrong है. 432 if I divide करने में help करो. 2 how much जा?
Sir, 2 1s are.
2 1s are 4.
Sir, 2 2s are, sorry.
2 2s are 4. तो minus करके 0 आता है. 3 carry forward. 2 how much are 3?
Sir, 2 1s are.
2 1s are 2. Minus करके 1 आता है. फिर 2 नीचे. 2 how much are 12?
2 6 are.
तो आपने 266 बोला था या 216 बोला था?
Sir, sorry, sir.
ओके. तो यहाँ पे ऐसा करेंगे 2l क्यूब प्लस 2, यहाँ पे ऐसा लिखना है ना 430 आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इट लाइक दिस 2 into 216 m
Yes,
cube.
sir.
So can you tell me if anything is common?
Sir?
कुछ कॉमन है दोनों में?
Yes, sir.
क्या?
Sir, 216.
दोनों में यहाँ पे 216 और इधर भी आपको 216 दिख रहा है क्या?
नहीं सर. सर उसके बाजू में 2 है.
ठीक है. हाँ तो 2 बोलो ना.
हाँ.
दोनों में क्या सेम है, क्या कॉमन है?
सर L.
L दोनों जगह पे दिख रहा है आपको? Tell
सर
me
2
something
दिख रहा
that is
है.
there. हाँ तो 2 कॉमन है ना?
यस सर.
तो 2 कॉमन है तो 2 बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. तो व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग इनसाइड?
सर.
क्या बच रहा है? जब 2 कॉमन है तो क्या अंदर बच रहा है?
सर L
सिर्फ अकेला L बच रहा है, L क्यूब बच रहा है?
प्लस 6M.
नहीं, शुड आई राइट L और जस्ट L क्यूब?
सर L only.
Why? L cube is still there, no?
सर L cube. Yes sir, L cube.
And what is remaining here?
432M. No sir. 2 sir, 2.
2 बाहर चला गया, तो यहाँ पे क्या
Yes,
बच
sir.
रहा है?
216.
216. सिर्फ 216 बच रहा है.
Yes sir. M3.
M3 या M cube?
M cube.
Okay. So now we have taken 2 common. अब it becomes the same as the previous sum. So I'll keep 2 as it is.
Yes
ये
sir.
L cube, can I write it as L the whole cube?
Yes sir.
Plus 216 का cube है.
Sir, yes sir. 216.
किसका cube है?
2.
2 का cube is 216.
No sir. Wait. 216.
I've told you all to learn the cubes by heart, Dinesh.
Sorry sir.
ठीक है, I'll pick you later then. Hello, Omar from Chembur.
Yes, sir.
You continue ahead. Tell
Oh,
me
thank you,
216.
sir. I'm
216
really
किसका cube
pleasured.
है?
216 is the cube of 6.
And M cube?
M6M the whole cube.
Perfect. So now tell
Now
me,
the
does it look
bracket will
like
be
A?
closed.
Tell me, does it look like A cube plus B cube or A cube minus B cube?
Obviously, A cube plus B cube.
What is the formula of A cube plus B cube?
The formula for A cube plus B cube is the first bracket A plus B, bracket closed. Second bracket A squared minus AB plus B squared, bracket closed.
So 2, if I keep it as it is, first bracket is A plus B. So what is in place
Yes.
of B over here?
L,
And B?
6M.
So what to write in first bracket?
L plus 6M.
Okay.
Closed.
Then A square को क्या लिखूं?
L the whole squared.
Then minus or plus?
minus L in one bracket closed 6m
Okay, and then plus or minus.
plus 6m the whole squared.
Okay. So 2 we'll keep it as it is.
Yes.
L plus 6m as it
6m.
is.
Yes.
What is L ka square?
L squared.
Minus, tell me the multiplication of this.
6lm.
Plus, tell me the square of 6.
36m squared.
Perfect. Okay, thanks, Omar.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Would you mind if I did the next sum too, please? Or
I'll
any
pick
other
you
sum? Or any
in
other
the,
sum?
yeah, I'll pick you. Keep your hands raised. I'll pick you in the next
Yes,
sum.
yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, I hope the new thing that we learned here was this taking 2 common. तो कभी कभी अगर दोनों numbers cube नहीं है, try to take something common, it will become cubes. Okay. Okay, so let's pick the 5th sum. Here also we'll practice that taking common. 24a cube plus 81b cube. Now this part I'll explain, and for the next part I'll pick someone. Okay, Omar, just be patient. I'll pick you in one of the sums today. So here, if you notice, this is clearly a cube plus b cube, but these two are not cubes. 24 किसी का cube नहीं है, 81 किसी का cube नहीं है. And again, if you all don't remember your cubes, that's not a good thing. We have done that in the 3rd chapter. It is very important. Learn your cubes till 10. Okay. Otherwise, there will be some confusion. So let me just explain to you all how to take common. So what you will do is 24 and 81, we can't see something clearly common. So I'll factorize it. 24, it is 2 into 12. It is 2 into 6. It is 2 into 3. And 3 into 1. These are all the factors of 24. Then let me find 81 ka factor. If I try 3s are 3 27s are 81. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. And 3 1s are 3. So these are all the factors of 81. Now we can write it here, but there are too many numbers. So my suggestion is, यहाँ पे देखो, whatever I've circled, I would like to see in the message. Can you all tell me what can be taken common from both? ये दोनों circles में the factors are there. Can you all tell me by message what to take common? Yes, Samberlin has messaged correctly. Sneha from Saidham, Hitesh, Omar has messaged correctly. Himani, Chandan, Namrata, Prachi. Okay, everyone seems to be telling me the correct thing, and that is 3. 3 is in both the places. So what I'll do is I'll take 3 common, but bracket में अब 3 चला गया. This is gone. So what is remaining is these 3 things. That is 2 into 2 into 2, 8 a cube. And here what is remaining is 3 into 3 into 3. That is 27 b cube. Okay. Okay, so ahead of this, I'll take Amrita's help from JB Nagar. Hello, Amrita. Hello. Hello, yes. Your voice is very low. It's not audible. Hello.
Hello.
Ah. Acha. Can you help me in the sum after this?
Yes.
Okay, there's echo. Yeah, so it'll be thoda confusing. Okay, Amrita, I think I'm on speaker, so that's why the issue is there. Just see if anything can be done about it. Okay, till then I'll pick Sneha from Saidham. Hello, Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you help me ahead of this sum?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll keep 3 outside only. Now,
Yes.
does it look like a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube?
A plus A plus
No, no. First tell me whether it is a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube.
A cube plus B cube.
Acha. But for a cube plus b cube, there should be whole cube here. So can you
Yes.
tell me 8 किसका cube है?
2A cube
2a the whole cube.
whole cube
And 27
plus
किसका cube है?
3
तो
3B
3b
whole
the whole
cube.
cube. Correct? तो मुझे बताओ अब a की जगह पे क्या है?
2A
And b की जगह पे? अगर ये a है तो ये b है ना?
yes
तो b की जगह पे क्या है?
3B
3b.
3B.
You understood?
Yes.
So when I say a cube, here there is 2a in place of a. And where I say b cube, there is 3b in place of b.
Okay, sir.
Acha. And now tell me what is a cube plus b cube का formula?
A bracket open A plus B
Hmm.
bracket close bracket open A square plus AB minus AB plus B square bracket close.
Okay. So यहाँ पे instead of a plus b क्या आएगा? a की जगह पे क्या आएगा?
2A
फिर
2A
प्लस
plus 3B
ये पहला ब्रैकेट हो गया. अब दूसरा ब्रैकेट में what will be there in place of a square?
2A square
Then?
minus 2A 3B plus 3B square.
Okay. Let's keep 3 outside. What is this? This we'll copy it as it is.
Yes.
Acha. Now tell me the square of this.
4A square
Very good. Fill or
minus
multiply the numbers.
6AB
Perfect. Plus, what is this square?
minus
Where
plus
minus? Haan,
9B square.
very good. This is the sum.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sneha. Okay. Next, I'll pick one sum from 6.3 right now. Okay, Omar, let's pick you again. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Just a second. Okay, now what I'll do is since we are getting used to these sums, I'll just shift to 6.3 and we'll take the question 1 first sum, y cube minus 27. Okay.
Okay.
So here tell me, Omar, does it look like a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube?
A cube minus B cube.
So how to write whole cubes for both?
Yeah. So we start with first bracket y the whole cube minus 3 the whole cube.
Okay, very good. Because 3 cube is 27.
Yes.
What is in place of a over here?
Y
And b?
3.
Okay. Tell me the formula now of a cube minus b cube.
All right. First bracket a minus b bracket closed. Second bracket a squared plus ab plus b squared bracket closed.
Okay. So what will be the first bracket in this sum?
Y minus 3 closed. Second bracket y squared
Y square
plus
plus
y into 3
y into 3
plus
plus
3 squared.
3 square. Okay. So what is first bracket again?
It's the same. Y minus
Y
3.
minus 3. And here, solve this.
Y squared
Hmm.
plus 3y
3y
plus 9.
plus 9. Okay, very good, Omar.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Fine, let us. I would like you all to mark the second sum as homework, everyone. It's very similar. Okay. And okay, Ramandeep. Hello, Ramandeep. Hello. Ramandeep, your mic is on, but nobody's speaking. Okay. Fine. Let's pick. Okay, let's try Amrita again. Hello, Amrita. Okay, I think you sent a message. I'm unmute. Hello.
Hello.
Huh. Wait 1 second. I'll erase this. Just speak once.
Hello.
Amrita, I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay. I hope everyone has marked the second sum of 6.3 as homework. I'll write down the third sum. And that is 27n cube minus 216n cube. Okay. Yes, Amrita. Hello, Amrita.
Hello.
Ah, yes, I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay. So tell me, does this look like a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube?
A cube minus B cube.
Acha. Tell me, to get whole cube, what should I write inside now?
27.
Arey, but 27 is not a cube. Sorry, 27 is some numbers ka cube, no? That number you have to write
3.
inside. 3, yes.
3.
Because we are writing whole cube, no?
Yes.
And
3
m
M
cube ka we'll write m here. So same way, what to write in the second bracket?
6n cube.
Very good. 6n cube. So now tell me, what is in place of a in this sum? What is in place of a?
3.
Only 3?
3m cube.
No, no, no. See, a cube plus b cube hai na? This is the formula, or a cube minus b cube hai. So when I ask you what is in place of a, you should not tell me cube. You should just tell me what is this much part.
Okay.
So here, what is in place of a?
3m.
And what is in place of b?
6n.
Very good. Now tell me what is the formula of a cube minus b cube?
In first bracket, A minus B.
Hmm.
And second bracket, A square plus AB plus B square.
Okay. So in first bracket, a minus b. So what to write?
3m minus 6n.
Okay. In second bracket, you are saying a square plus ab plus b. So what is a square?
3m square.
3m square. Okay. Then sign is minus or plus? Plus.
Plus.
Okay. Then
Again 3m square.
3m.
No, 3m.
And 6m.
6n.
1 second. Let me erase this. Then plus.
Plus 6n square.
Okay. Is equal to this. Let us keep it as it is. 6m minus 3m minus 6m. Tell me what is this square?
6. 3 3 are 9. So 9.
So 9
M square.
m square plus what is this multiplication? First multiply the numbers.
18.
18
mn.
mn plus
36n square.
n square. Very good. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thanks, Amrita. Okay. Next, find Nishita. We can pick up. Hello, Nishita.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay, let's try the fourth sum.
Okay, sir.
Hello, Nishita.
Hello.
Huh. Wait 1 second. The fourth sum is 125y cube minus 1. Okay, we'll try this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, does it look like a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube?
A cube minus B cube.
Okay, but we should get whole cube. So what to write inside?
5y.
Minus 1 किसी का क्यूब है क्या?
No.
अरे
1, 1.
हाँ. Is it okay if I write 1 cube?
1. Yes.
What is 1 का cube?
1.
Same ही आएगा ना?
Yes.
अच्छा, so now tell me what is in place of a
5y.
and what is in place of b?
1.
Okay, what is formula of a cube minus b cube?
A first bracket A minus B. Second bracket A square plus AB plus B square bracket close.
Okay, so what will be in the first bracket here?
5y minus 1.
And first term of now, next one,
5y square
then
plus 5y multiplied by 1
then
plus 1 square.
okay. So first bracket, let's keep it as it is. What is this square?
25y square.
Okay. Plus what is this multiplication?
5y.
Plus what is 1 square?
1 square.
1
1.
ka square 1 only, no? Okay, understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Nishita.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, everyone, I would like you all to mark the 6th and 7th sum also as homework. Okay, and now let's come back to 6.2 to discuss sums with fractions in them. So next sum is this: y cube plus 1 upon 8 y cube. This is 6.2, 6 sum. Okay, Advika from DN Nagar. Hello, Advika. Okay, Gargi. Hello, DN Nagar Gargi. Okay, other students are not answering. Let's try Ghatkopar then. Okay, Manthan. Let's try Priyal Patel.
Yes, sir.
Ha. Will you help me in the next sum now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me in this now. What is does it look like a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube?
A cube plus B cube.
Okay. So to write it as whole cube, what should I write in the first bracket?
Y the whole cube plus
plus
1
this
upon
1 upon
2y the whole cube. Sorry, 2y y cube.
no,
Or
your
it will be good.
whole cube is proper.
Okay, sir.
So now tell me, what is in place of A?
Y cube.
And
Sorry,
no,
y.
don't say And what is in place of B?
1 upon 2y.
And what is the formula of A cube plus B cube?
A plus b first bracket. A the whole square minus a into b plus b the whole square.
A into B
Second
the
bracket.
Wait, tell me
Sorry.
again. I think you made a mistake. A cube plus B cube, what are you saying? What is the first bracket?
A plus b first
Hmm.
bracket.
Second bracket?
Second bracket. A the whole square minus a into b
Hmm.
plus b square. B the whole square.
Correct. So let us try that here now. What will I write in the first bracket?
Hello.
Hello, yes. What will I write in the first bracket?
Hello. Yes, sir. Y plus 1 upon 2y.
Correct. Y plus 1 on 2y. Then
Second bracket. So it will be the first square one bracket.
so what is the
Then
first?
second bracket. Y the whole square
Y the whole square.
minus
Hmm.
y into 1 upon 2y plus 1 upon 2y the whole square.
Bracket close.
Yes, sir.
So y plus 1 upon 2y. What is
Y
y
square
plus? Y square.
minus 2 because y will get cancelled.
Very good. Y will get cancelled. So 2.
Yes, sir.
But ऊपर तो 1 है नीचे 2 है ना.
Yes, sir.
So should I
1
write
upon
2?
2.
1 upon 2, no?
Yes, sir.
Plus square this full thing.
1 upon 4 y square.
Okay. Why don't you raise your hand? You can answer properly, you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next time raise your hand. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Let's do one more fraction related sum. Okay, let's try Harshlata from Vikroli. Okay, or Rudra. Rudra, I've noticed, never answers. Krishna. So nobody from Vikroli is answering. Let's try Parla. Hello, Himani.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will help me in the next one.
Yes, sir.
Wait, let me just check. Okay. Let's try this one. This is the eighth sum from 6.3. 16a cube minus 128 upon b cube. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Acha, firstly tell me, is 16 a cube?
No, sir.
16 is not a cube. Even 128 is not a cube.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
Last time also we discussed this. Now we can factorize them to check what is common.
Yes, sir.
So quickly help me to factorize.
2 8s are,
2 8s are,
2 4s are,
2 4s are,
2 2s are,
2 2s are,
2 1s are,
2 1s are. Okay. And 128 here.
240, 260 4s are,
Acha, 264s are.
and
Then
232s are,
hmm,
2 16s are,
hmm,
2 8s are,
2 8s are,
2 4s are,
2 4s are,
2 2s are,
2 2s are,
2 1s are.
2 1s are. Acha, these are all the factors of 16. These are all the factors of 120.
128.
So क्या common है दोनों में?
2.
Only 1 2 or more 2s?
4 2s are common.
4 2s are common. 2 2 2 2 2 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is 4 2s का multiplication क्या होता है?
16.
So can I just say 16 is common?
Yes, sir.
So when I take 16 common, what is remaining here?
A cube
Minus
minus,
यहाँ से 16 4 2s गए तो बचे हुए 3 2s है ना अभी भी?
yes, sir, 8
8 upon.
upon B cube.
Okay. So now, does it look like a cube plus b cube or a cube minus b cube?
A cube minus B cube.
Okay. So what can I write whole cube over here?
A whole cube.
Minus what to write whole cube for this fraction?
A 8 upon B.
8 नहीं ना, 8 किसका क्यूब है?
No, B.
8 is a
8
cube.
is the cube of 2.
So what should I write?
2 upon B cube.
No, 2 upon b,
B,
the whole
the
cube.
whole cube.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me what is the formula of a cube minus b cube?
First bracket A minus B. Second bracket A square plus AB plus B square.
Okay. So 16 as it is. So when you say a minus b, यहाँ पे क्या लिखे हैं?
A cube, sorry, A minus 2 upon B.
Okay. Second bracket में
A square plus A 2 upon B plus 2 upon B the whole square.
Okay. 16 as it is. A minus 2 upon b as it is.
Yes, sir.
A का square is
A square.
plus ये multiply होके क्या मिलेगा?
2A upon B.
2a upon b plus 2 का square क्या है?
4.
एक second.
4 upon B square.
4 upon b square.
B square.
Okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So what we'll do now is, so you all can mark the remaining sums that we have not done from 6.2 and 6.3 as homework from the first question. Now we'll do 2 more sums from simplify. Okay. So next time we can tackle the bigger sums. So let's quickly try to do this. And this, I hope everyone finds it very simple. Simplify is actually very easy. Okay, fine. Let's tackle a few sums. And next time what we'll do is, we'll be discussing 6.1, 6.2, 6.3 ke doubts also. So if you all have any doubts in 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, we'll discuss it in the next lecture. Okay. Okay, so for this, let me pick which branch. Let's pick someone from Saidham. Mehak. Hello, Mehak. Okay, Mehak is not answering. Let's try Sanskriti. Sanskriti from Saidham. Shreyas from Saidham. Okay, Saidham also nobody is answering. Let's try Savni. Hello, Savni. So nobody new wants to answer today. Okay, let's try Ramandeep again.
Hello,
Hello, Ramandeep.
am I audible?
Yes.
Okay.
So now we are going for simplify. Did you understand all sums from 6.2 and 6.3?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in simplify, what will be happening is they'll be giving us two things like this: x plus y the whole cube and minus x minus y the whole cube. This is the first sum. Fine.
Okay.
So now what we have done such sums in 5th chapter. The advice I gave you all is first bracket, just write it in the, wait, this is very similar. Okay, fine. Just write it in the first line and second bracket, write it in the second line. Okay, we have actually done such sums in 5th chapter. So if you remember, this we'll be doing with the 5th chapter ka formula. You remember we used to do a cube, a square, a then y, right? So
Yes.
apply that
A
with for
cube,
this
A
sum.
square, A, like that.
Correct. So start for this one. Just tell me what to write in the first line. Now here it is x plus y the whole cube, no?
Yes.
So can I start with x cube?
Yes. X cube, X
Then
square,
x square, then
X.
x. And will any x come here?
No.
Then
Y cube,
very good. Y cube, then
Y square,
y square,
Y.
y. Anything is missing?
Science.
No, two numbers are missing.
Yes. 3 will come on X square and X.
Here, no, in the between two numbers.
Yes.
Correct? Acha, what will be the signs for all of them? There is plus in between. So all will be?
The first will be minus.
No. When there is plus, all are plus.
Okay.
So we'll put plus for all. Okay.
Okay.
Then can you see there is minus in between?
Yes.
So I'll put minus here.
Okay.
Then there's a bracket, right? Below equal to, I'm putting minus. Then in bracket, the terms will be exactly the same. We'll follow the same rule. X cube, x square, x. Then what about here?
Y cube, Y square, Y.
Again, number 3 will also be there. But this time when there is minus, alternate terms will be minus. So if this is plus, then what will be this?
Minus.
Here?
Plus.
Here?
Minus.
Okay. But now what happens is, see, if this was plus, no, then I could have solved it. But when there is minus, I'll have to open this bracket now. So top part, we'll write it as same thing. X cube, 3x square y plus 3x y square plus y cube. Now below, when minus opens the bracket, no, all these signs will change. Like this is plus. So what will it become?
Minus.
So it will become minus x cube. This is minus. So what is minus into minus?
Plus.
So it will become plus 3x square y. This is plus. What will happen?
Minus.
So minus 3x y square. And this is minus. So what will happen?
Plus.
So plus y cube. Okay. So can you
Yes.
see the benefit of writing it perfectly below each other? Now what will
Yes.
happen is if the terms are same and they are plus minus, they will get cancelled. So x cube,
Okay.
will it get cancelled?
Yes. Because it's plus. Both.
Plus minus. When there's plus
Yes.
minus, they will get cancelled. Will
Okay.
this get cancelled?
No, because it's plus.
Plus plus. So
Yes.
add them. What is 3x square y plus 3x square y?
6x square y.
Right. Acha, what about these two?
It will get cancelled because it's plus and minus.
Correct. And this, there is 1y cube plus 1y cube.
So it will be y cube plus y cube.
1 plus 1 is what?
1 plus 1 is 2.
Hello.
Hello?
What is 1 plus 1?
2. So it
So
will be
when there is no number, it is 1. So
1.
1y cube plus 1y cube will be
2y.
2y cube. You understood this?
Yes.
Okay. Thanks, Ramandeep.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, here you all will notice that it can be done with 6th chapter formula also, but it gets very difficult. So I'm teaching you with the 5th. We are just revising the 5th chapter method only. The same formula, we can revise it perfectly. Okay. Okay, let's try one more as discussed. And then the remaining will be homework. And if any doubts, we'll definitely discuss it in the next lecture. Okay. Let's try the third one. Third one is slightly different. This one. A plus b the whole cube minus a cube minus b cube. Okay. Okay, Krishna wants to answer. Hello, Krishna. हाँ.
Yes.
अच्छा, ये वाला सम में हेल्प करो अभी, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, can you see first bracket?
Yes.
How to open this? It is a plus b the whole cube.
Yes, a cube plus 3a square b.
अच्छा, आप डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला बोल रहे हो, ठीक है? a cube plus
3a square b plus 3ab square.
Correct.
Plus b cube.
Plus b cube. अब ये जो दिख रहा है ना, ये इसमें फॉर्मूला नहीं लगेगा. It is not whole cube.
Yes.
So
It will come same.
Same only, but I will try to be smart. मैं यही same line में नहीं लिख रहा हूँ, मैं नीचे लिखूंगा. But देखो, a cube, I'll write it exactly below a cube.
Yes.
तो b cube कहाँ पे लिखूं?
Last.
Hello.
Under plus b cube.
Correct. Like this. So
Yes.
now when I solve it, tell me what will happen to these two.
It will get cut.
Very good. ये कुछ नहीं है नीचे.
No. हाँ, कुछ नहीं है.
तो as it is लिख देते.
Yes.
What about this?
It will come also as it is.
Okay. But what about this?
Cut.
Cut. So can I say this is the final answer?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Krishna.
Thank you, sir.
So students, I hope today we had a long session and we have done 6.2, 6.3. And as I've said, what we'll do next time is you'll have to practice. In case someone did not finish today 6.1, then make sure by next lecture 6.1 is done. 6.2, 6.3. Okay, Shreya, I'm sorry I missed you. Next time I'll give you a chance. Even Deepika. So next time I'll start the sums with you all. Okay. So I hope whatever sums we discussed are clear. And to do 6.4, if you look at 6.4, it looks like a very difficult exercise. But if you'll know the first three exercises, it becomes very easy. So make sure you're practicing it properly. Next time, we'll start with the doubts. And then we'll move on to 6.4. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Thanks, Mritul. Okay. Yes, Dhruv sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm done with the lecture.
Okay, sir. Thank you.